All right, part two. This is the shipping and distribution warehouse. This is where we do a few different things. One, we warehouse and ship our own house brands, and we also fulfill third-party brands, which makes us so different in our system. We're a one-stop shop. We can go from the designing of your product, your label, your packaging, all the way down to shipping to your individual customers or your wholesale orders out to your retailers. And this is where all that happens. So you can see we have quite a bit of inventory in here, and then we also have the rest of the inventory out here. So this is all what's available to immediately ship out to customers. And you're looking at our stations over there for orders going out. This is where all that magic happens. Stations where we check all the orders. We produce single serve sample packets. Here's an example of what one of those looks like. This is a pre-workout. We also have the proteins, and we can do the smaller packet size for either capsules or powders. And what we found is this used to be limited to big companies that had big budgets and were able to run large amounts, because most fillers don't want to run less than, I would say, a minimum of 50,000 per SKU. So what we've done is brought that big brand technology and ability to the smaller brands, where we have a minimum of 5,000 units, and this is one of the best ways to market your brand. These sample packs are like little salespeople, because when you're a smaller brand trying to get your foothold in the market, there's really not a lot of reason for somebody to take your product over something that's established or a name that's established, and this gives them that reason, because they can actually taste the product, try it, and it can get them to make that decision to buy. So really cool opportunity there for you with NutraCap. We can do those 5,000 minimum, same turnaround time, 5 weeks or less. All right, let's take it on out. We'll walk through the back row here. How you doing? Good, so we'll come out into this warehouse, and actually this one is a little bit bigger than the raw material warehouse, which is about 35,000 square feet. This is about 40. All along these walls here is all of the house brands, as well as the third-party brands that we fulfill. Obviously over there, lots of cardboard to box things up. And you can see, just like with raw materials, we're extremely serious about stocking plastics. We've got always in-house about 1 million plus in packaging, all different kinds: clear, white, blue, green, black, variety of types of lids, different sizes. So we do have quite a wide variety of packaging, and we can do custom packaging for people that are able to meet the minimums and can wait for the lead time. So we have many different options. So there's always something that we can typically find for each customer. And we're making our way back to our intake area here at distribution. So a couple things happen here. Plastics come in, material goes out, plastics go out to get put in production, and then finished product that was made at production, sent over here and is ready to ship out, gets sent, and it's tagged and sent out here. So once that second order, that second half of the payment, that second 50% is paid, your order comes over here and it ships out usually within a few days or so. A lot of times we might have to go through some QC, just get the final C of A's or certain documents that we need to release, but 9 times out of 10, once it's paid, it goes out of here within a day or two. So you can see back here, everything looks nice and neat right now, but it's usually pretty chaotic and cluttered. So see more of the warehouse. It's plastics, 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 and some more finished goods over here where we are stocking. This is all pretty much one customer down this aisle, or 1 or 2 customers. So we stock and fulfill, and they fulfill bigger wholesale orders. which, as I said, we can do the large wholesale orders, or we can do the day-to-day, single orders to individual customers.